Forewarn Weather with cutting-edge technology for the most up-to-the-minute forecast in Southeast Michigan.
I don't know about you all. I've been enjoying it in the high 30s. It's been
nice and mild, but as a consequence, the snow is melting, and I know that we've got some rain coming our way.
That's right. We've recently had a lot of rain already and a little bit more rain on the way. Now, the rain that's coming here is not going to be enough to cause any huge additional problems with flooding, but we still have existing flood concerns. Flood warnings in effect for the Rouge River in Wayne County. That includes portions of Detroit as well as Redford. As you get over toward Macomb County, the North Branch of the Clinton River, we are still seeing flooding. And then we have rising streams in all or a big portion of St. Clair County, so the entire county under a flood warning until noon tomorrow. Here's a look into downtown Detroit. We see a lot of blue out there. We have temperature coming in at 41 degrees, cloud cover. Some parts of southeast Michigan seeing a little mist and fog. Right now it is 38 in Howell and in Pontiac and Mount Clemens as well, 36 in Port Huron, 35 in Sandusky. So when it comes to the visibility, we are seeing some improvement right now in Lenawee County. 3 miles with the visibility. In Adrian, we are looking on the better side for the rest of southeast Michigan. As ZagTrack 4D radar, we are not seeing any rain as of yet. Again, some areas seeing a little bit of mist as you go over into Lenawee County. But here's where the rain is coming from the south. We'll see it in places such as along I-94 first and then getting up toward I-96. And we will eventually see the transition from rain to mix and some snow overnight. Here's all that rain that is moving up to the area. Not quite as much as what we recently have seen. So we have the cloud cover right now. We start to see some of those showers getting into our area around 10 o'clock tonight. So that drone show that we're going to see tonight, that will not be impacted by the rain. That rain continues to move northward, and overnight as we see the cooling temperatures, we start to see some mixing happening, some of that snow, and we'll see a little bit of snow starting to accumulate on some of the grassy surfaces where it's a little cooler out there, and maybe some decks and cars. We will see a very slushy accumulation in those areas. We are not expecting much out there because the ground temperatures are still going to be on the warmer side, and those air temperatures are going to be above freezing in many places as well. So for those that are going out for the drone show tonight, or perhaps to watch and cheer on the Red Wings, the game that kicks off at 8 o'clock, we'll see temperatures downtown still in the upper 30s out there. We start to see that rain moving in later on tonight. So the low in Detroit, 34 degrees. We have the rain and then the wintry mix late overnight into tomorrow morning. Those winds out of the northeast about 5 to 10 miles per hour, some gusts up to 20. And then tomorrow, temperatures getting into the upper 30s. We have a chance of a little slush in some communities in the morning. Otherwise, we're wet out there. And the wintry mix lasting into the afternoon hours. We should see most of that activity out by about 2 o'clock. After that, a couple of sprinkles and flurries are possible. Then the Lions watch party tomorrow in the evening. Temperatures in the mid-30s. We are going to be cloudy at that time. So here's what to expect for the next several days after that. Monday, we are partly sunny to mostly cloudy. Tuesday, we do have another chance of some snow and rain coming to the area. Wednesday, temperatures in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. And then we wrap out the end of the week in the lower 40s.